Okay, in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the QiYi 3x3 mirror cube. So let's go right into it. Right, let's try and open this box. And inside we have, I think, probably an instruction. Some instructions of how to solve a mirror cube and a 3x3. And in here you've got the actual puzzle, which is wrapped in some plastic. Here it is. How a mirror blocks cube works is that each piece is like a different size, so when you move it, it shape shifts. And that is actually solved like a 3x3, but it takes a lot more thinking because every piece is like a different size. So yeah, it's gonna be quite tricky, but see what you can do. Just scrambling this up is just, look at it. It's already just changing shape so much. Alright, maybe we'll try and do a solve on this. Which one do we start with first? That's the question. Probably the smallest centers, like with the smallest pieces or the thinnest pieces. So like this is like a cross edge because they just match with the two centers. And we just basically just have to search for these really thin ones and try and put them in. I think this is another one, yep. Maybe like this. Nope, that doesn't fit. So it's got to be like the exact same size basically to fit. Maybe this one actually. How do we get this one in there? Maybe like this. Nope, that's an edge piece. Maybe just put it in a different way. Like this? Nope. Let's see. Actually, this piece is wrong. Just noticed that. Could probably. That's not correct. Maybe I'm making the wrong center. That's maybe why. Let's make go with these big ones. Maybe here. Nope. That? Yes. Alright, that's our two cross edges. I think we'll just try and find these really large ones, like this one maybe. No, that doesn't fit. Maybe it fits here, but it might not. No, it's too small. So, which one can fit? This one might just have to be like, No, or maybe you've got to just turn this around, because that's sometimes what you have to do. Just, oh dear, come on, like this. Yes, okay, that's our three cross edges. Sometimes it just has to be turned around a bit. So, this one's not right. Maybe just align this properly. Take this out. Maybe we do like this. I don't know. I'm just making it up as I go now. Nope, it's still too small. Alright, maybe it's a different one. Maybe it's something else. Let's quite large. Oh, it could be this one, actually. Yes, okay. I think that's our cross. I think. One of them, I think they match up. Now I think we're going to have these really large corner pieces in. So maybe this one could maybe go in here. Oh, that does match up. I think it's just the center that's wrong. Yeah, the center doesn't match. What's this one? Oh, these two need to switch, I think. I'm pretty sure. So let's just quickly switch them and see if that's correct. Yeah, this one fits. Yes, now they match your center. Yeah. Okay. So now let's just try and get some of these corners in, maybe. Oh, wow. I did that by accident. Okay. I guess we just got an F12 pin in. Is this gonna go in? Nope, too big. Oh, maybe this one. This one looks good. Or maybe not this way. Sounds you're gonna put it in a different way. No, not like that. Oh, how do I put this one in? I don't think I'm gonna go straight down. So maybe it's like one of these cases. Imagine a 3x3. Yeah. And then maybe this big one. Yes. Okay, that's our first layer. We've already got some edge pieces. I think this one might go in here. Oh, I don't think that will go in. Actually, it's going to be quite thick. So maybe this one. This one looks kind of good. But it's like the wrong way. Let's see here. I mean, this one matches the center. I think that's what it's supposed to do. So maybe like, we'll try both the left and right and see which one it actually is. I don't think it's the left though. So I think it's the right. Yeah. That's nice. There we go. It's another one in. We already had one in earlier. This one's wrong. I think this one might go in. It's matching with the center. Oh, it doesn't look right. It's got to be quite big as well. This one looks... Oh no, it doesn't look good. No, it doesn't make much sense. I mean, this one's too small. This one could go in. Oh, go on. Nice. Last one. I think it's this. No, it's not this one. I think this one's just in flipped. I think. Just flip it. No, it's too small. Okay. We'll just leave a corner in there. It's not... Oh, it's here. Okay. This is gonna go in. There we go, first 2 layers, okay. I don't think last layer will be too hard. I think this is a line. I did 2 look OLO anyway, and I'm probably gonna do 2 look OLO and PLO. So now we've got across. Oh my god. This is just... I think we're just gonna do soon. See what that does. Double across, that's wrong, isn't it? Will you do this soon from here? What did that do? Oh, these two need to switch. And these two need to switch. Maybe it's this one. Hold on. Nope. Over now it might be. Hold on. Oh my god, I forgot the algorithm. I'm pretty sure that's in the right place. This is a fish. Anti-soon? Maybe again? Oh my gosh. Still doesn't look right, obviously. I mean, these are all solved now. So it's this one. It's either, I think it's this. Gosh, oh, that's so tricky. Oh, hold on, I messed up. What did I do? Oh, no, no, no. What? I messed up the algorithm. No, 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 no. So it's okay, it's okay. So this is a dot, fairly sure. And then this is an L. And that's a cross. Okay, no idea what this is. I mean, I don't think we got a fish. But maybe we'll try and get a fish. That's not solved, is it though? It's like, it's not solved. So it's not a fish. It's gonna be like solved. So these are two pointing up, and these two are pointing up. This one has to go here. This one has to go where? Here. And this one has to go here. Da, 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 da. And then this one has to be flipped. I mean, we could do, hold on, I'm gonna get my 3x3 out real quick and just test some things out, because I'm just forgetting some algs. Oh, that's Olo! Yes! Yes, and how much is solved? That's headlights. That's actually like solved. And so is this. And then you just got, that's a J-pump, I'm pretty sure. Yes! Finally, we finished it after messing up OLL for the first time while solving it. It is finally solved. I'm going to practice this and see if I can get better. That was obviously my first solve, and it didn't actually take like 20 minutes as the video is going to be like a long time. It only took a while because I messed up OLL, but it's finally solved. I'll try and get better at it and see what I can do. So yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know any other video ideas you'd like to see. I might do a tutorial on this if I get better. And probably there might be another unboxing coming soon, so stick around for that. And some example solves of 2x2 and 6x6. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.